don't take it. Take it, just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying.
Okay, Royals, this is the season of love, and I thought I'd kick off my Fire and Desire Valentine series with this cute and festive door swag. It is a custom Valentine order, and I thought it would be a great way to just ignite the season of love and give you some design inspiration. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as I create this masterpiece right before your eyes. I'll chime back in later with the deets on everything. Enjoy!
To think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, oh, oh. It's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. It's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. A better place, a better place. It's the things that you do. The things that you do. It's the smile on your face. The smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. A better place, a better place. I can see you looking at me. Yeah, my eyes are open wide. So you want me to set you free? Take a walk with me outside. Tell me everything about you. Yeah. 'Cause I really wanna know. You can ride with me forever. Yeah. Anywhere you wanna go. Night is over the park and a few brave stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'm so in love, let's go for gold. Let's go for gold. If we ever was lost before, now we finally found our way.
All right, Royals, as you can see, I have created a beautiful, romantic, yet fun and whimsical Valentine theme swag. You guys, I did this using materials that I had left over from my Christmas inventory and just added a few simple Valentine theme pieces such as the Happy Valentine's Day plaque, as well as the heart floral picks and the ribbon. You guys, so simple, so easy. I hope you enjoyed. And if it's your first time visiting, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. It is a lifestyle channel full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. Now to my brand new boos and my tried and trues, you guys know how much I love and appreciate you. I am so grateful for your continued love and support. Now, guys, for more of my Fire and Desire Valentine's series, set your notification bells because I have tons more to share. Until the next video, I want you to be royal, stay safe, and have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.